Today, I will guide you through the process of canceling an order on Fashion Nova. To begin, open your web browser and go to Fashion Nova's website at fashionnova.com. On the homepage, click on the profile icon and log in by providing your email and password. Once logged in, click on the profile icon again and go to My Orders. Although I don't have an order to demonstrate with, here's what you need to do. Find and select the order you wish to cancel, then click on the Cancel button. If the option to cancel is not available, you can still handle it upon receiving the order. To return the order, navigate to the Help Center on the website. Click on Start a Return and provide your order number and email. Complete the necessary information for the return process. Note that returns are only available for U.S. customers and must be made within 30 days of the delivery date. Remember, refunds are issued as store credit in the form of a Fashion Nova gift card. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.